start the hip thrust, rest your back and then your elbows on the bench to lift your body off the floor. If you're using weight, you'll place your hands on the bar. Notice that only your shoulders and the upper part of your shoulder blades are in contact with the bench, not your entire back. Place your feet a bit wider than hip width apart, making sure to stand comfortably, and turn your feet slightly outward for stability, so that you feel balanced. This will take the pressure off your knees and allow for greater glute activation. The bar should be positioned in line with your pelvis. You'll want to set it right on your hip bone. You can also use a pad or a small mat underneath it if you're using a heavy weight. Be mindful of your head during the movement. Your neck should stay in line with your spine. As your hips lower, look forward, and as they rise, look up. On the way up, drive all your force through your heels, pressing them into the floor. This will help to better activate your hamstrings and stabilize the movement. You have to understand that with the hip thrust, the movement comes from the hips, so focus on that. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top, always adding a short pause to ensure maximum muscle contraction. Did you like this tip? Then go ahead and like and share it with a friend who has trouble with this movement.